microscale liquid decal film.
What's up, fellas?
Brand new decal.
Yeah.
It's Chuck from Chuck's Hobby Spot again.
Okay.
I'm at the moebious
You don't have any kind of
table,
like
and these are awesome.
Unfortunately, I don't.
These are what's coming out at the end of the year, so
There's
there's a lot of this stuff in here, but check this out, man. This is the 65 Chevy 2 gasser. And man, is it well done. He said I can pick this up, so yeah, this is just next level
not the
from moebious.
Not the stablest thing, but it'll at least hopefully prevent you from scuffing it or anything.
So yeah, they've got this one, then they got the 64.
So, and I got these binders. I got 10
car.
more
I'm
binders.
telling you, I'm gonna probably buy
hunt for decals.
3 or 4 of these when they come out each.
Like I said, if you got the listing at the front of the book,
awesome.
that's everything that's in there. Okay. But it's kind, it's a mixed bag.
Some other stuff they're getting ready to do.
Mm-hmm.
This is the stuff that interests me, though.
I spent more, but the plate of components, we can't just have it. With Eric, it's always deviled eggs
Some neat stuff here.
No, I paid $2. And the company is really good. Yeah.
Real crisp detail.
There's DJ Kim's Fun Seafood. Is it open?
There's smash burgers.
So I think this is part 5, so it's a real quick part
I wouldn't
5. So
mind doing that if you guys want, but then again, Eric's gonna be here tomorrow night, so he might want to do something simple.
There's a Voodoo Steakhouse, which is expensive. No.
all right, well, I'm gonna get to shopping, so you guys take care. Bye.